Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide, and I believe this is now coming to an end with all the surprise packages we've been unboxing. Now today we're going to be looking at something similar to what we've unboxed in the past. I wonder if you guys can guess what it is. But I thought I'd put it in as part of my collection. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this one. As you can tell, we've got a big package come through. Let's get my trusty cheap scissors. I don't need a Swiss Army knife to be able to unbox my stuff. But then again, you guys have seen how terrible I am at unboxing, so maybe I might need one. But yeah, this one is going to be a bit of a strange one. So I used to own one of these ages ago. Like we're talking a very long time ago. However, I upgraded, and at that time I never thought about, do you know what, I'm going to keep machines for a YouTube channel that I was going to do maybe 15-20 years later. Let me just slowly there you go, and then there you go, and then let's just see if we can, in the middle of some sort. There you go. We've done it, guys. We got there. We've done it. The botch way of unboxing has worked again, and I did cut myself. It is what it is, guys. So what do we think is in this box? Now we remove some packaging. It all seems to be in this little bundle. Now, let me just check there's nothing else in the box. Nope, there's nothing else in the box. So let's focus on this item. Now, I can feel that there's a couple of things in here. So let's just get our trusty cheap scissors again and start cutting in. And let's give a snippety snip over here. So that's that. And is there anything that we need to do from the other side? Yes, we do. We need to do a snippety snip from up here. And that should start giving us access to the parcel. I mean, I give credit, they have packaged it very well. Let me just cut this. And there we go. We're now nearly there, guys. We're nearly there. So let's go through the second round of taking all of these things out. But let's take one things that we can take out. So we see a 60-watt MagSafe power adapter, which is still in this box, so that's brilliant. So let's just put that to the side for now. There seems to be a laptop replacement battery in here. So I see that here. This isn't an official one, that's for sure. Yeah, this is not an official one. But I'm hoping you guys have an idea of what MacBook this is now. But as far as I'm aware, we're probably going to have to plug this one in. And we're going to squeeze it all out. So are we ready? Ta-da! We have ourselves a 2009 white MacBook. I don't know if this has any charge. Does this? It has charge. It has charge, guys. it has charge. Now, if we look at the condition of this machine, this is not fantastic. Like, the screen itself is moving. If you can hear it, there's a crack right there. Let's just have a look at the port. There's MagSafe, Ethernet, the old display port. I think there's a firewall cable, 2 USBs, headphone jack, and then we've obviously got the CD drive. Now this screen moving is a bit worrying to me. Yeah, that seems to be a bit... Yeah, that definitely sounds dodgy. There seems to be a crack right here as well. And there's a crack here. So you could tell it's clearly been opened. There's a crack down here as well. So it has been opened. And you can see some of the stuff on the keys have disappeared as well. So it has been heavily used. So let's turn it on. There's a chime. So there seems to be something on the screen. Now the backlight is horrible, as you can probably tell. You can see the screen is somewhat bleeding light. I'm hoping it doesn't ghost. And it's just booted us straight in. So if I press cancel here and have a look at this Mac. So it's a 2.4 gigahertz. It's a 2.4 gigahertz, 2 gig RAM. And let's just have a look what the storage is on this machine. So we should be able to find this out from this utility. That's interesting. And it has 160 gig Hitachi drive in it. I don't know if this is an SSD or not. I don't know anything about that. But I will be doing a follow-up video when I upgrade the SSD, when I upgrade the hard drive to an SSD. So we'll see how that performs on this machine. And then as I mentioned, I'm in my previous MacBook white cabinet ones, is I'm going to be doing some Linux testing, some Windows testing, so just don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, because those videos will be coming quite soon. Now let's just quickly check, what's the condition of the battery? Normal. So that's a surprise. And one of the things, as far as I remember, is that the volumes don't work. The volume apparently doesn't work, and I have a feeling it's something to do with where the audio output is looked into. So if I go into sound, play sound says digital. Interesting. I'm pretty sure the output shouldn't be digital out, it should be something else. Interesting. I will have a look into this and see how I can fix this. And this can be a separate video itself, how we can fix the volume issue. Because it chimes, the machine chimes, so the speakers do work, but it just says digital out. But it says built-in output, but obviously nothing happens. So I will need to figure out how to fix that. But this is it, guys. This is the MacBook 2009. There will be plenty of videos happening with the other white MacBooks that we've also picked up. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.